Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because we are reviewing an entire collection. Not just any collection. Dun dun dun! I am super excited. Saved by the Belle people. All of the 90s kids are super excited. Let me put the box down. I created this entire look using all of the products. They have a little bit of eyeshadow, blushes, highlighters, lips. So today, if you are interested in how I created this look and my thoughts about this collection, my recommendations, make sure to keep on watching. So I just want to take a second to appreciate all of this babies right here. This whole thing came out of the locker. The detail on the packaging, just everything was super, super nice. Very well thought out, very on theme. All right, so here's a breakdown to this video. I'm going to talk about the products in the order of the way that I apply makeup. So I usually do my eyes and then I go over to my face and I end with my lips. So that is the idea with this collection. So let's go ahead and get started with the eyes. All right guys, so let's go ahead and start with the eyeshadow palette. This is the Squad Goals eyeshadow palette and it retails for $14.99. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the claims. So it has a mix of different finishes. They're gorgeous finishes, blendable color, high impact color, effortless application, and cruelty free. I will say that the 15 shades are super pigmented. They have a mix of formulas. They have super cute names. So let's talk about those. So first of all, the palette is a cute little locker. How cute is that? And all of the names are very on theme, so that's super cute. So here are some of the names: Time Out, Ditch Day, Malibu Sands, Forever Friends, Detention, You, Me, Prom, Go Bayside, Beat Valley, Checkmate, Detention, Hey Hey. So all of these, again, are very on theme. I feel like the whole collection had really nice details that were very thought out, on theme, very cute. So I do enjoy that. Let's talk about the actual packaging. When I opened this palette, the sticker was super on there, so I would recommend break the sticker on the side and then make sure that you're popping it open carefully. If you are too aggressive with it, you could pop off the top and then break it, so make sure you handle with care. All right, so let's talk about the color scheme choices here for the palette. It is a collector's piece, but I feel like you always want to launch palettes that are actually usable. I see a total of 9 matte shades and I'm enjoying the matte. 2 of them are kind of like a mix of matte and a little bit of glitter, the blue and the black. So that is really nice. I don't know if it's just like an overlay and once you use the color it's gonna be gone, but it is cute. We do have our browns, our grays, so if you really enjoy browns or grays for your everyday look, you definitely have that. A pop of color, you have 2 blues, we have a little bit of a pink and a peach, and the peach has Go Tigers. How cute is that? We also have some satins and 1 glitter. So for the glitter, I thought it was really, really nice and special. It has a very, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but a very metallic-y green gold, almost mermaidish fluorescent vibes, and I feel like the rest of the colors are really, really nice to either create your daily looks or to create something more glamorous like I did today. I feel like the performance overall with the colors, the finishes were very well thought out, very nice and usable, which is most important when we buy a palette, and they did allow you some fun shades so that you could add that pop of color and have that glam effect. So I definitely enjoy this. I would recommend it for 15 bucks. You are getting a good amount of shades and you are definitely going to get use out of these. So this is a thumbs up for me. All right guys, so next we have the Bayside Cheerleading Mascara. So this one retails for $7.99 and it claims that it is volumizing, it coats every lash, intensely black, fuller lashes, and cruelty free. So when I tried this one out, I was going to place falsies on top. I feel like it's going to really come back to the way that you curl your lashes and what you want from a mascara. So something I enjoyed about the mascara is the wand wand. It is curved and it is very easy to coat every lash. I was kind of heartbroken that it was not a waterproof formula. I do gravitate towards waterproof formulas only because I feel like they hold a curl better and I don't have to be worried about, you know, if I'm sweating outside or whatever it is, that it's going to be running. But if you gravitate towards a mascara that's easy to work with, easy to take off, and you just like that kind of mascara, I feel like this one is pretty promising. It's definitely worth a shot. So again, I recommend that you curl your lashes and kind of work the coats in there. I did notice that it took a little bit longer to dry. When I place my falsies and I kind of like bring them together, it was still a little sticky, so I will definitely make sure to wait for it to dry and then go in with that second curl if you need to. If not, you are good to go. All right, so next up we have the Home of the Tigers Kabuki brush. And this Kabuki brush is super convenient, super fluffy, and super great for travel. I would say that this is pretty much great for any type of powder product. If you want to just put it in your makeup bag and go, this is definitely worth a shot. How cute is this? I could not believe that this was what was the packaging. So back in the day, we used to have these as cordless phones and it was very desirable, almost like our smartphones of the day. So I was super excited when I saw this whole thing. It is an acrylic packaging and it has 3 brush sets. So this one is the Zack Attack Live Performing at the Max brush set, and this one is $14.99. So this one has 3 brushes. I would say these are a mix of complexion and eyes. So you have a blending brush, a angled brush, and then you have the flat brush that I used for my eyes today. I feel like for $15 you're getting really nice quality brushes. They're thick, they're nice. They have the Saved by the Bell logo. So again, if you are a collector and you enjoy brushes in general, I feel like this brush set is super cute. Just because of the packaging, I think I would buy it. So next up we have the face duos. So they brought 3 different kinds of kind of like a blush highlighter, I would say shimmery blush kind of fusion. So there are 3 different ones and they retail for $6.99. We have the Nerd Alert, the It's Alright Glow Face Duo, and the Relationship Goals Duo. So I feel like my favorite is the Nerd Alert only because of the color options. That is what I'm wearing today. But I feel like I would still use all of the colors just depending on the look that I want to create. So let's talk about kind of like the formula. The formula is buttery, it is pigmented. I will say that it is powdery. Usually when I apply my blushes, I like to go for a brush like this, which is kind of like fluffy. This particular product I would recommend with a denser brush just because it kind of flies everywhere and I kind of had to pat it in order to get that pigment payoff. I will say that that is my major complaint, but again, it does have pigment, so I feel like these are super cute. Each of the actual little sections has a little quote. So the Nerd Alert has a pick you up 7 dish, and then she says, sorry Screech, right? So I think again, the packaging is just everything for this collection. I feel like these are definitely worth a shot. The only complaint that I had for the relationship goals, when I swatch it with my finger, it looks like it's going to be really nice. When I went in with my brush, I felt like I didn't really get a lot of pigment payoff. So I went in with the eyeshadow and kind of did a combo. But I feel like if you sprayed setting spray and maybe went on with it, you could get a little bit more of a metallic finish. So these are definitely on the more natural side. But if you are a beginner for makeup or you just want to collect these, I feel like these are definitely worth the investment. Next up, we have the lip duos, and these are exciting because you do have really nice neutrals. You have a lot of rosy tones. It's a very on theme for, you know, high school, fresh, youthful. So we have 3 different ones. They retail for $6.99 and they are plumping kits. So it is a very pigmented gloss. I'm wearing it today, and you do get a liner. So I feel like for $6.99, it's pretty much $3 each. So that is very doable. So today I am wearing Bayside Beauty. I feel like this one is definitely definitely up my alley. Very neutral, very like brownie pink. We have the other one, Bayside Beauties. So they are categorized by the names actually of the girls. We have Lisa, we have Kelly, and then we have Jessie. So I thought that that was super cute, a very nice value for your money. And if you are a lip plumper and you also love a neutral lip, you want a lip liner, I feel like today's look, it looks like I have pretty juicy lips. I have smaller lips, but I feel like with this, I like it. So seeing how it performs on my lips, I would definitely give it a go to try all of these shades. I feel like these would be really nice for your daily looks. All right, so last but not least, we do have a setting spray, and this one is the Wanna Wrestle, and it has some claims that it's gonna lock in your look, weightless formula, lasting effects for any skin type, and is cruelty-free. This one, I feel like the sprayer is pretty nice. It's pretty lightweight. It's kind of like a mist. My biggest complaint is that it was scented, not super heavily scented, but if you are sensitive to scents, which I usually gravitate away from, I feel like this might linger and it might bother you. But as far as the sprayer and the actual product, I feel like this is a pretty nice product. It retails for $7.99. So I feel like you are getting 100 mLs or 3.4 ounces. So you're getting a nice amount of product. And since the fine mist is so manageable, I feel like you wouldn't go and do as many sprays. So this would pretty much last a while. I have not tried out this product for actual wear test outside, so I will let you know what I think about its actual performance. But for right now, I feel like my makeup looks pretty good. I don't look dry. I don't look powdery. I feel like this is definitely something to look into and try out. And again, if you are a collector, this is definitely cute packaging. And we got a bonus. So this is the Wet n Wild and Saved by the Bell makeup bag. How cute is this? It looks like a little gym bag. So this one retails for $9.99. I feel like it's a nice, pretty regular makeup bag size. So if I kind of like flatten it out, I feel like you would be able to toss all your makeup essentials, especially the daily ones, have a cute little bag that is Saved by the Bell, and it will hold all of your daily makeup. All right, so final thoughts. The entire collection, you can get it on the website. It is $69.99. I definitely feel that you don't have to go buy the whole collection. I feel like whatever you actually would use, or you want to collect a particular character or the whole set, that would be definitely an option. As far as the performance and the quality of the products, I feel like all of them were pretty great. Pigment, the consistency was buttery, it was easy to work with, but I feel like, again, it's going to really depend on what you're looking for, if you are just trying to collect the collection, or if you are looking for products that actually you are going to use on the daily, or you want them to do a certain thing. Let's go ahead and kind of run through a couple of things. So the eyeshadow palette, I feel like I really enjoyed, very easy to work with. The lip collection, I enjoyed. The blushes, I loved the pigment. The highlighter, not so much. The mascara, it's a pass for me. Since I'm sensitive to smell, I probably would not gravitate towards that setting spray, but again, if I'm just here for the collection and the packaging, I feel like this is a super cute collection. All the details are on point, and it is definitely super fun going down memory lane. So thank you so much for watching. If you do end up getting the collection, comment below what was your favorite item and what are you definitely loving in this collection as far as detail. All the packaging was super cute and I enjoyed everything. I will definitely let you know how these products wear. I will continue to test them out, and I will let you know through my social media platforms. So if you have not liked and shared these videos, make sure that you do show them some love. Make sure to follow me on all my social media platforms at MUA Karla Trevino, where I share with you makeup tips and tricks, fashion, and lifestyle, because we all want to look good on a budget. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.